After fully downloaded, this is what we expect to see. Oh wow, iPhone XS, virtual intelligence. Hold it, what is it? The flower. It's fun, okay. For Hey Siri, okay, no, thank you. Oh my god, early access. So, where is my animation? It's waiting for download. Okay, for now, reboot it one, restart it to make Apple Intelligence to work, okay? Restart it. XS. So I expect to see the two more toggle here. This one is file experiment toggle. So let's hope for the best. Maybe we can see something new in there. So let it connect to Wi-Fi. Let's see what Wi-Fi. Okay, connecting. Okay, connecting. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it launched the animation, but okay, so it takes time. Why is still download? Okay, okay. Go to see more iPhone. Face ID, battery. Okay. Apple Intelligence. Early access. Type to Siri. Let me type to Siri. Okay. Let me turn on ChatGPT. This is what's special about 18.2 beta 2. You have ChatGPT, and ChatGPT can generate an image just like image creation, which is we got only the animation. See, early access. See, and ChatGPT is everywhere on the system. You can use the writing tool. You can use this, but compose you can. Tell my friend in YouTube to subscribe. Done. Hi there, hope you are doing well. I just wanted to drop a quick note to ask if you could subscribe to my YouTube channel. It would mean a lot to me, and I really appreciate your support. Thanks a bunch. Share my name, favorite tech X, and compose. Create an image of Cambodian boy. So now it where? Oh, okay. Define chat with Campbell, then boy. I did it with my iPad, and now it says sorry. Create an email. Create an email. Oh. No. Campbell, dear boy. Oh, over daily limit. I do it a lot. But it work here. Cambodian boy. Wow. See? It worked perfectly. Wow. You can save it. Here. Save image. So beautiful. But much better than immigration. I can't bet you with that. So now I have daily limit on ChatGPT. You reach your daily limit for ChatGPT advanced capability. So let's go to upgrade. Let's see how much. I think it's $20. My internet acting again. Sign in to continue. Okay. I think it's $20 for ChatGPT. So Genmoji here. Oh, it's requested, so still not work. Image one. So let's done here and try here. Ah, it's related to Genmoji and something like that. Immigration here. But at least you can see it here. So cool. All the tool with the one. So cool. So this is iPhone XS running iOS 18.2 beta 2 and Apple Intelligence enabled. Weather today. Oh, it defined intelligent. Good. Okay. Ignore my weather. Bye. Thanks.